Today, I'm going to explain how to troubleshoot common PC and Windows problems. Troubleshooting means identifying a problem, finding the cause, and fixing it step by step instead of panicking or guessing. Step 1 is pretty simple. Before assuming something is broken or it's a hardware issue, always check the basics. Is it plugged in? Is the power switch on? Are cables connected properly? And did you restart the computer? Restarting fixes many temporary software issues because it resets the system. Most gaming PCs run on Microsoft Windows, so many problems are software related rather than hardware failure. Problem 1. PC won't turn on. If your PC doesn't power on, check the power cable, make sure the power supply switch is on, check the 24-pin connector that's inside of your motherboard, connected from the power supply to the motherboard. Test the wall outlet, and if the fans don't spin at all, it's usually a power supply or connection issue. Problem 2. PC turns on but no display. If the PC powers on but the monitor stays black, make sure the monitor is on, and check the HDMI or display port cable. Plug the cable into the graphics card, not the motherboard, if you have a dedicated GPU, and also reseat the RAM if needed. Graphics cards are often made by NVIDIA and AMD, and loose GPU connections can definitely cause display issues. Also, pro tip, use a display port cable instead of HDMI. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure it runs faster. Problem 3, slow performance. If your PC feels slow, open Task Manager, check your RAM and CPU usage, close unnecessary programs, and check your storage space. Also, hackers can hide a crypto mining virus thing where it remotely mines crypto from your PC, which would take up a lot of your usage. And if your storage is almost full, performance may drop. SSDs are much faster than hard drives. Problem 4, Windows freezing or crashing. If Windows freezes, restart the system, check for updates, and run built-in Windows troubleshooting tools. Also, scan for viruses. Adding on to that, you should also update your drivers or check your drivers to make sure that everything's up to date, and you should go into your device manager and try to update anything to see if any drivers are outdated. Problem 5, overheating. If your PC shuts down randomly, gets very loud, or runs extremely hot, it is probably overheating. Check, are the fans spinning? Is there dust buildup? And is airflow blocked? Cleaning dust and improving airflow can significantly improve performance. Problem 6, no internet. If the internet isn't working, restart your router. And if that doesn't work, restart your PC. And if that doesn't work, check if Wi-Fi is enabled. Also, update network drivers. And you can also plug in an Ethernet cable to your router, which is not only the fastest internet connection you can get, but this will check to see if your internet's working. Problem 7, Windows won't boot properly. If Windows fails to load, boot into safe mode, use startup repair, check for corrupted system files, and then reset Windows as a last resort. Also, always back up important files if possible before resetting. Once those are backed up, it shouldn't be too difficult, as you just need a USB drive that has Windows installation on it. A key rule of troubleshooting is to change one thing at a time, because if you change too many things at the same time, you won't know what actually fixed the issue. So just stay calm, chill out, and think logically. PC problems can be scary, but the most common issues have simple fixes.